maybe for my YouTube viewers who know trains, what type of train this is. It has 1134 up on the light right there. So, anyone know the history of this one? And why is it seemingly putting on and removing its brakes? Or that's what it sounds like to me anyway. Also, these buildings are massive. I don't know if I'm supposed to be recording here or not, but anyway, so I gotta get going. But yeah, that building is massive right there, guys. I just thought this would be kind of cool. Just wanted to show. Anyway, gotta run. Oh, that's actually a pretty picture right there.